number one. Alright. I would throw the question to you in English. You have to answer or deliver your answer in English. Okay? Okay, this is my question. 5, please. Hypothetical. What if one day you found out that your boyfriend is gay? May I repeat? Excuse me. Quiet from the audience, please.
Thank you for that wonderful question, sir. If one day I'll find out that my boyfriend is a gay, I will still um, love him for who he is, for for what he is. Because if you love someone, you will definitely love him for who he is. Thank you.
Same procedure. You have to answer my question in English. Okay, the question goes like this. Do you believe that all men have homosexual tendencies? May I repeat?
For me, I believe that every man can be a homosexual because every man can think about what they are really like in their heart, in their soul, and in their mind. Thank you.
Okay, this contestant number 2, this is my question. May dalawang taong nangangailangan ng isa sa iyong mga mata at ito ay kusang loob mong ibabahagi. Sino ang iyong pipiliin? Ang iyong kapatid o ang isang taong ikaw na lang ang kanyang tinuturing na huling pag-asa?
Pipiliin ko yung kapatid ko. Siyempre, kadugo ko siya. Kailangan niya rin ako.
Good afternoon. My question is, what is the biggest challenge to you, to young people like you today?
The biggest challenge for me this day was how to kung paano ko ang pinakamalaking challenge sa buhay ko ngayon ay paano ko matatapos tong kurso na to. Sapagkat tong kurso na to, sinasabi nila ay madali lamang dahil wala kaming course, ay wala kaming lisensya. Pero sa totoo ko lang po, hindi po ito madali dahil lahat po ng kurso natin ay pantay-pantay. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Good afternoon. Here's my question. If you were given a chance to talk to the graduating high school students, how can you encourage them to take computer engineering in UP?
Sasagot po ako na hindi in English para mas ma-express ko yung sarili ko. Siguro para ma-encourage ko silang mag-enroll dito ng computer engineering. Sasabihin ko sa kanila kung ano yung magiging future nila dito kapag dito sila nag-aral. Kung ano yung mga matututunan nila dito kaysa sa ibang school. Saka walang board exam ng computer engineering, hindi na dapat minamaliit yan. Kaya dapat dito sila sa UP mag-aaral. Yan po.
Okay, good afternoon. Good afternoon
ngayon, sir.
Okay, this is my question. By your own words, kindly define or describe happiness.
Thank you for that wonderful question. For me, happiness is the most important thing that a person can have, and you can. I think that a person can't live without happiness because they can be lonely forever. Ano po, finally po, yung happiness po sa akin, yung po ang nagpapasigla po sa buhay ko. Pag wala po, ano po, di po, mataas yung fulfillment po sa life, tapos mataas po yung, less motivation po ako. Yun lang po, thank you.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My question is, do you consider yourself a woman or a girl? Why?
As a girl, because masasabi ko lang po na girl ako dahil pwede din po woman kasi I can stand on my own. And then, I am a girl na hindi susuko at magtatapos na pag-aaral ko na magtatapos na nagtitiwala kay God na hindi niya ako papabayaan. Simula ngayon, first year college hanggang fifth year college. Thank you po.
And my question is, what bothers you the most about what is happening in our country today?
First of all, I want to thank my friends and especially my sister and our kids. The father yung sa ngayon, yung mga nakakasira sa country natin. Yung corruption and
Contestant number 5, please come down here. Ayaw mo magbuhat. Ulat ka dito. Nakakarami na ako ah. Okay. Number 1, Sir Joanne.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon po.
I had a easy question for you. What quality do you like most about yourself and why?
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po sa katanungan. Para po sa akin, ang pinakagusto ko pong ugali sa sarili ko ay yung pagiging magaling sa pakikisama. Gaya na lang po ng na-encounter ko ng maraming beses na po sa mga kaibigan ko. Marami po akong na-encounter ng mga kaibigan ko, hindi po loyal sa akin or traitor po pag nakatalikod ako. At kahit po ganun, tinutuloy ko pa rin po silang kaibigan at nagpapasalamat po ako sa kanila dahil ginagawa lang po nila akong sikat sa tuwing pag-uusapan nila ako pag nakatalikod ako. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Hi, contestant number 5. Again, yes. What is that? What if one day you wake up in the morning and you found out that you're a woman? If one day you wake up in the morning and you found out that you are a woman, what is the first thing that you would do?
Manalo po
na po ako dito, masaya na po ako kasi yung experience yung tiwala sa sarili, nasa akin na kasi ako. So, gaga sa purpose ko ang purpose po talaga. Pilay po ako ngayon, alam po nila yan. So, kahapon pa po, nakita niyo po, tinitiis ko po yung sakit sa kasi gusto ko po talaga, gusto ko po itong gawin. Gusto ko itong gawin. So, yun po. Sabi ni God sa akin, kahit matalo man ako dito, may mas malaking regalo siya sa akin.